Daddy. We have counties of Arizona. Its capital is Phoenix, located in the USA. And we have deserts, plains, valleys, and more. I am Apache. And we have gold shies and other good deals. My name is Coconino, and I have a better life too. My name is Gila. My name is Grantham, and I'm a good deal. But we have better life too. And mine is Greenlee. My name is La Paz. My name is Maricopa. And I'm Mohave, and we have good deals either. You know how's the capital, think it is well. And I'm Navajo. And I'm Pima! Happy birthday to you! Hi, my name is Pinal. I'm Santa Cruz, and I'm small. Smallest in Arizona. Hi, I'm Vavabai. And my name is Yuma. I boarded the only one in Mexico. Wow, I'm still Arizona! Alright guys, let's take a little break. Well guys, today we gotta look for Hawaiian Airlines airplane. Do you think guys ever that Hawaiian Airlines is just, airline? We better just do that. So, Hector, remember Hawaiian Airlines. Thank you for watching. And it will still go back to the county of Arizona. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.